Hi, so you're interested in POLISHANGEL protection products, but you're not sure which way to go. Well, if that's you, stay tuned because we're going to go into all those details next. Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider with Esoteric. Like I said, today we're going to take a deeper dive into some of the POLISHANGEL product line, particularly their protection products. All right, first of all, if you've seen videos in the past, you know POLISHANGEL is a German brand, about the same age as us here at Esoteric. We've been working with them one way or another for about 10 years now. All of their products are very easy to use. A little bit goes a long way. When we place our orders with them in Germany, they make the stuff right then and there. These don't sit in a warehouse on shelves, so you get fresh products. The thing is, you've got a lot of options within the POLISHANGEL line, and it may be kind of confusing on what you want to go with. You know, is this a professional a product? Is it a consumer product? What's the nice thing about POLISHANGEL is it serves all purposes and for all people. If you look behind me at the cars flexing in the background, we have your black Enzo, and we've got one of the most beautiful Ford GTs we've ever had. People may make the mistake and think, well, they're just for cars like that. No, these are for daily driver cars. Doesn't matter what you have. It doesn't matter what kind of car you're working on. These are going to work fantastic. All right. Let's look at this in terms of, we like to talk here at Esoteric in terms of good, better, best system. You would have good, you would have better, and you would have best. But don't make the mistake and think that this over here is just the good level. It is a really freaking good product at this level, and you work your way up. So first of all, let's talk about that. Here you've got the Master Sealant and the Rapid Wax combination. Hugely popular combo. You know, easy to use. Then you move up to the better category. We have the Primer Spritz and we have the Cosmic Spritz. Those of you who've been following us know that this is like my all-time favorite product in the detailing world, Cosmic Spritz. Finally, you get up into the highest level, which would be your Primer Spritz for prepping the surface. You've got your Cosmic V2, which is a glass coating of glass, not for glass. And then you have got your Cosmic Spritz, which is going to be for maintaining the product. When you go from a good, better, best, typically speaking, as you move up in the scale, you move up in price, and you move up in terms of durability. Your higher level products are gonna have the most durability. Your more quote-unquote entry-level products are going to have your least durability. But even with this, you're going to get 4 to 6 months worth of durability out of. The Master Sealant and the Rapid Wax. Simple Master Sealant. After you wash the car, it's all dry. You put it on using a foam applicator, similar to what you would do with a wax. It's not necessarily a liquid, but obviously it's not a paste because it comes in a jar. Goes on super easy. It can be done with this applicator, or it can be done by machine as well. Apply it to the entire car, let it sit for 20, 30 minutes, wipe it off. Super easy. Then what you're doing is you're maintaining it with the Rapid Wax. This is a 10, 15 minute process. However often you want. You can do it after every wash. You can do it once a month. Doesn't really matter. Super easy, great water beating characteristics to it. Fantastic look. Okay, now we step up to the Cosmic process, which is your Primer Spritz. That's what preps the surface, and it also ensures a good bond. And then you're treating it with the Cosmic Spritz. Cosmic Spritz, once again, as you do your maintenance on it, it could be every single wash. I do it that way just because I like using Cosmic Spritz. I like having that engagement with the car. Or you can do it, you know, every month, every other month even, because it lasts a long time. This is the easiest process out of all of these that we have. Okay, now our best option is the Cosmic V2, which is kind of the center of it all. Now, this is a coating product. You know, we talked about glass coatings, quartz coatings, ceramic coatings, or whatever. This is going to be for the person who wants a more durable coating-like product on their car, but they're a little bit intimidated by the semi-permanent nature of a coating. You mess it up, you have to polish it out. For a DIY person who doesn't want to go that next level to a full-on traditional coating, this is going to be the choice for them. Application of this is really similar to what it is with Master Sealant. Super easy to do. You apply it to the whole car before you remove it. It's not like a coating where you do one panel or maybe two panels at a time and remove it. You don't have potential high spot issues and things with this coating. Then you have your Cosmic Spritz for maintaining. Just like we've talked about over here, you can do that once a week, every other week, once a month, whatever you like. Super simple on this one too. One other thing that I forgot to mention on this is when we're dealing with super soft black cars, like this Enzo back behind us, some of the Porsches that we run into, Bentleys, anything with really finicky paint, a lot of times we'll go with this as our coating choice on it because we have less risk of causing any kind of marring on the finish when we're doing our application of this. Okay, when is somebody going to choose one or the other? Well, it could be, your budget. If you don't have a lot to invest on the products, you're going to go with the Master Sealant in Rapid Wax Combo. If you're looking for the most durability and you don't mind putting a little bit of effort in it, you're going to go with the Cosmic V2. If you're looking for something that's going to be really effective and the least amount of time possible, you can go with the primer and the Cosmic Combo. You've got a lot of variety in the Polish Angel product line for your protective products that you're going to put on outside of your car. All of them are going to look fantastic. All of them are going to have wonderful water beating characteristics if you're like me and you're a water beating geek and you're really into that kind of stuff. All of these are going to be great. You've got good, better, best. You move your way up in durability and you have some options in terms of ease of use. Everything here is incredibly easy to use. This combo is going to be the easiest. This combo is going to be the most affordable. This combo is going to give you the best protection. Okay, we're going to link you to all of the products here in the description, and here at the end of the video we've got some other specific videos about these products that we can link you to. As always, let us know in the comments below if you have any specific questions. I'm the one that goes on to answer it. Be glad to walk you through the process. As always, we appreciate you hanging out with us here on the Esoteric channel. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.